It's me, Drea, Clueless Mama D again. Are you guys getting sick of me yet? I hope not, because I've got another super awesome, super adorable, and super affordable DIY, but wait for it. It's a Christmas DIY, and I'm so excited, guys. I love Christmas. I'm one of those awkward people who get in trouble all year for starting singing the songs too early. But anyways, we are going to be making today super easy to make felt Christmas tree. It is a Mickey, Minnie Mouse theme. You can really make this into any character theme that you want. Guys, it was so easy. It's under $10. I can't even deal with it. But it's one of those gifts that you can definitely take out every season, and whichever kids are in the house can play with it, so it can last a long time. And if it gets wear and tear, it's super easy to touch up. So AuntieTay, thank you for having me yet again on a Walt Disney Wednesday. You guys, make sure you visit my channel after this video. It will be in the description, and just come over there and press subscribe and hit the bell, because if you love Christmas like I do, you're gonna love everything I have up there, including gift ideas for anyone you have to buy gifts for. So let's get to the craft.
You don't need a lot to make this DIY. 1 yard of green felt, assorted colors of felt for ornaments, some double-sided tape, glue and glue gun as always, scissors, something round to make some shapes with. And this was optional, guys. I printed some pictures for $1, and I also used this fabric I got from the dollar store, but you could even use shiny wrapping paper. So you're gonna fold the yard of felt in half, which is more than enough, and you want to feel to see which side is the more fuzzy side, and the more fuzzy side goes on the top. Then you're gonna cut in sort of a diagonal triangle and open it up. You could actually leave it as is there, guys, the way you just saw that, but I decided to go ahead and put these little, I guess, petals or whatever you want to call it to make the shape, and just trim it out. Guys, I love easy DIYs. If you love it, comment below when they're easy. You know, I just love when something turns out good and people think you spent forever, but really you didn't. There it is. There's the shape of the tree. Then I kind of guesstimated where I was going to be putting my presents and what shapes I was going to make them, and I cut those out and lined them on the bottom. I just hot glued them, but I layered them so, you know, some things are on top and some are on the bottom, and just hot glued that so that the child doesn't have to worry about putting the presents in the right spot. And then I just cut out bows and little decorations to make it look like it was the boxes or the wrapping paper that the gifts were in, and gave it a little hint of Mickey theme right in the center. Oh, this is so fun, guys. Make sure if you haven't already, you subscribe to AuntieTay's channel right now. It's super easy. Just hit that bell. She does so much good stuff on this channel, guys. And these were my ornaments. Now before, if you saw my Mickey Canvas video where we made these fabulous DIYs, that will be in the description. I already did a cutout, so I'm just going to be lazy like that and show an insert from that video on how I made these. I just did shapes. I actually kind of widened that out because it looks a little bit less like Mickey. But really simple. Just find two little circle shapes that work and cut them out with felt. I love working with felt. There you go. And I just added some felt on top to make it look like Mickey and Minnie. And for the ornaments, I just traced around them in a color. Guys, I really should have done this more, you know, professional looking, but yeah. And to laminate it so it lasts longer, I just put some tape over it and cut it and folded it under. That is the Ghetto Fabulous way to laminate something. And those were the picture ornaments. My son loves these. He's even got like shirts like this with have soccer balls where you can do the little sequence thing. So I thought, since it was at the dollar store, it was a pillowcase, I could try this for the lights. And you can even make it silver if you wanted to. And it kind of has like, you know, it picks up the light. But it wasn't the best thing to cut, so it doesn't look perfect. But that's okay, because to be honest, when it all comes together, it still looks really nice. And then I put a white felt piece on top to make it look like lights, and I glued that onto some of the extra green felt fabric I had. So these are all the ornaments. You have to include a star, of course. Isn't it so cute? And felt sticks to felt. So you just go ahead and put your double-sided tape on the back of the tree. Start in the middle first and push it up, and then go to the sides. And then you just show your little one how to stick felt to felt and have fun decorating the tree. Comment below if you love this DIY, and please come visit me on my channel and make sure you say hi so I connect with you. And guys, very important, on both Auntie Tay's and my channel, if you hit the bell, that means a lot because sometimes YouTube does not show our videos to you, especially if you're small like me. There it is, guys. Let me know your feedback. I'll see you in the comments here as well. Until the next video.